A very good morning to all my nursery babies. Today is Monday. That means it is fun day because it is story time for all of you today. So, what are you all waiting for? Get comfortable in your chair or on your couch with a glass of juice and some snacks to munch on. Watch and listen to this story, and I will see you later. The name of the story is The Ant and the Dove. So here is a cute little ant, and this is the dove. I can see somebody hiding here behind the tree. Who is this? Well, let's find out.
It was a bright and sunny morning. White fluffy clouds drifted across the sky, with birds chirping and butterflies flitting from flower to flower.
An ant was walking along the bank of a stream. Wow! What a lovely, beautiful morning it is! I am so happy today. The ant started singing and dancing along the bank of a stream. Suddenly, she slipped and fell into the water. Oh my God! Can you see your children? A poor little ant. She just slipped and fell into the water. But you know what she did? She quickly grabbed a floating leaf and sat on it. Can you see a floating leaf here, children? Yes, a clever little ant grabbed a floating leaf and sat on it. But as the flow of the river was very strong, the leaf started sailing down the stream. Can you see your children? The flow of the river was very strong, and the leaf started sailing down the stream. A poor little ant got scared. She started crying. Help me! Help me! Somebody please help me! Help me! A dove flying past heard the ant crying away for help. Help me! Help me! Somebody please help me! Children, what do you think? What did the dove do? he swooped down and picked up the leaf in its beak with the ant. The dove laid the leaf gently on the grassy bank. Here, children, here is the leaf which the dove laid it very gently on the grassy bank. The ant came walking to the bird. "Thank you," said the ant to the bird. "You have saved my life today. Thank you so much. And I will be of help to you someday, Mr. Dove," she promised. What did she promise, children? That one day she will definitely be there to help Mr. Dove. That was very nice of a little ant. And with this, the dove flew away towards the forest. So, children, is that the end of the story? No, 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 no. Wait. Don't go away. Let us see what happened next. One day, a hunter saw the dove flying in the sky. Here is the dove, children. The dove was flying in the sky. And the hunter aimed his gun at him. A little ant saw the hunter and she was very angry. The ant guessed, what is this hunter planning to do? I think he is going to hurt my friend. As the hunter was about to press the trigger, what happened? The ant crawled by. Yes, the ant was very angry. The ant started crawling towards the hunter. And what did he do, children? Let's find out. She rushed up the hunter's boot and bit him hard on his leg. See her, children, a clever little ant. She bit the hunter hard on his leg. Ah! The hunter screamed in pain. Ouch! Oh my God! The bullet missed the dove. Yes, my dear children, the bird was safe. The dove flew away happily as he was saved by a clever tiny little ant. Welcome back, children. I am sure you all enjoyed watching the story on the ant and the dove. Now tell me, children, something. What did you learn from the story? Yes, we all learned that it is always good to help others. So children, next time when you find somebody who needs help, do not hesitate, but offer that person a helping hand, and you will feel very happy about it. So children, I will see you soon. Till then, bye-bye and take care.